Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best golf grips is probably one of the most overlooked but crucial components of your golf game, significantly impacting your comfort, control, and ultimately, your score. A proper grip ensures a consistent swing, reduces fatigue during long rounds, and prevents painful blisters or calluses. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of golf grips, exploring different materials, sizes, and designs to help you find the perfect grip to elevate your game and enhance your enjoyment on the course. Number 5. Wedge Guys Golf Grip Kit. Tired of worn-out grips? This kit gives you everything you need for a perfect wedge grip, right at home. It's easier than you think. It includes everything for up to 15 clubs. You'll get professional results without the professional price tag. This durable, high-strength steel blade makes removing old grips a breeze. It's built to last for over 100 grip removals. The kit comes with easy-to-peel, premium grip tape. It's designed for a smooth, professional finish that won't bunch up. This non-flammable, non-toxic solvent works on all tape types. It's citrus-scented and comes in a convenient squirt bottle. The durable rubber clamp keeps your club secure during the wedge ripping process. It's designed to prevent slippage and is perfect for all your golf repair needs. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit with everything you need for wedge ripping. The durable blade ensures longevity, and the included tape makes installation a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient and long-lasting solution for wedge ripping your clubs at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit allowed me to successfully wedge rip my irons and I now save money on this annual necessity. Tape and solvent were of good quality and easy to use. This kit worked as advertised. I wedge ripped a really old set of irons and the blade cut through the old grip little issue. Knife and tape removing tool work well and make the job faster. Number 4. Alien Pros Golf Grip Tapes. Tired of worn-out golf grips? It only takes a minute to transform your clubs with our innovative wrapping tapes. Enjoy a fresh, new feel on the course. No messy solvents or kits needed. Simply peel, wrap, and seal for a brand new grip, anytime, anywhere. Wedge ripping has never been easier. This game-changing solution is used by thousands of golfers worldwide. It's sweat-absorbent, anti-slip, and works in any weather. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Make your clubs unique. Choose from a variety of stylish designs and change them whenever you want. It's easy to personalize your clubs. Our 3-pack of tapes fits all clubs and sizes. Each tape is highly absorbent, ultralight, and easily adjustable for the perfect fit. What we like. This innovative solution lets you wedge rip in under a minute, without needing any special tools or solvents. It's also highly customizable, letting you express your personal style. If you value speed and a unique look, this is perfect for you. What people say. Ease of installation. It's not quite 1 minute as it advertises itself to be, but it was extremely simple. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes per club, but that's still way faster than replacing the whole grip itself. The only tool you might need are a pair of scissors. And they stuck on really well and haven't shifted or started peeling. The whole wrap is not sticking, but the two ends have little adhesives to pull me off where you start, top of grip, and where you end your wrap, bottom of grip. These adhere and come off easily and so not appear to leave much residue, so having to start over is no issue. I did it numerous times. At the end you use the black wrap to seal the bottom. Very cost effective. Has loved the feel of this. You can see my grips below are in pretty great shape. They are a little slick and hard, but I like a thinner grip, and I would say this adds the perfect tackiness to the feel of the grip. It's almost like you get the same grip and it's smoother and more adhesive to your hands without a sticky feel like a football glove would have. Soft and spongy in a way that doesn't compromise much feel. Number 3. Geoleap Golf Grips. Experience the ultimate in grip and control with our new golf grips. They're designed to enhance your swing and improve your game. These grips are made from a premium blend of natural rubber and cotton thread. This unique combination provides superior anti-slip strength. The soft microtexture provides exceptional comfort and superior traction, ensuring a secure grip in all conditions. The larger lower hand design reduces tension and allows for a more powerful swing. It's all about maximizing your potential. Our innovative hybrid material and textured surface wick away moisture, providing consistent grip and feel, rain or shine. Available in standard and mid-size, these grips offer a 0.600 core size, 10.60 inch length, and weigh approximately 50 or 68 grams. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll do our best to help you. What we like. It offers superior grip and comfort thanks to its soft texture and hybrid material. This ensures reliable performance in any weather conditions. If you prioritize comfort and consistent performance, regardless of the elements, then this is your best choice. What people say. They are very tacky and have great grip. Easy install. Very good quality grip, firm feel, size feels like on the high end of mid-size grips. After using these grips for several months during winter conditions, they still have a great, sturdy grip, feel good and look great. Number 2. Geoleap Golf Grip Set. Experience the ultimate in golf grip technology. These grips offer superior control and feel for an improved game. This comprehensive set includes 13 grips, plus all the tools you need for easy installation and repair. Get everything you need in one convenient package. Available in standard and mid-size, they provide a comfortable and secure fit for every golfer. Find the perfect size for your hand. They feature a unique hybrid material and microtexture for superior grip in any conditions. Play your best, rain or shine. The strategically placed microtexture provides exceptional feel and high traction throughout your swing. Experience improved control and confidence. The reduced taper design lessens hand pressure, promoting a smoother, more powerful swing. Enjoy a more comfortable and effective swing motion. The included grip tape makes installation a breeze. It's easy to apply and removes cleanly with minimal residue. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is here to help. Buy with confidence. What we like. This option provides enhanced grip and control with easy installation and reliable performance in all weather conditions. The included tapes make wedge ripping simple and efficient. If you want a hassle-free wedge ripping experience with lasting results, choose this one. What people say. These are great quality grips that really improved the quality of my old or second-hand clubs. You really notice a difference jumping from standard to mid-size grips if you have larger hands. They don't slip out of your hands easily, they look great, and you get enough for a full set of clubs. Installing your own club grips couldn't be easier with this awesome kit. Compared to the grips on my buddy's brand new, and expensive, club set, I'd say these are of equal quality but even better looking. You have a variety of colors to choose from so you can personalize your set as you replace the grips. The kit came with absolutely everything I needed to do the job myself at home, and even though I'm not a golf pro and have literally zero experience installing grips, I was able to do this without any issues in my garage in less than 2 hours. The grips were firmly secured to the clubs within 2 hours of installation and I was able to play confidently the next day. I love how nice the clubs feel in my hands now and how little effort it takes to keep a good grip with a fast swing. No more slipping and causing errant shots. Right upon opening these grips from their packaging, I was surprised at just how great these look. They feel great in your hands and I really don't feel a difference from my golf prides. Number 1. Champkey Premium Rubber Golf Grips. Experience the ultimate in golf grip technology. These grips offer superior comfort and control, enhancing your game. You get everything you need in one convenient package. This includes 13 grips, 15 tapes, grip spray, a vice clamp, and a grip blade. It's made with an exclusive high feedback rubber. This provides precise ball feedback and a comfortable feel throughout your round. 3 kinds of microtextures improve your grip and control, no matter the conditions. Enjoy enhanced comfort and confidence. The traditional taper encourages a lighter grip pressure. This reduces tension, creating a more fluid and powerful swing. It's a Champkey exclusive, designed for optimal performance. Patent applications are pending in the US, Canada, Japan, and the UK. What we like. It provides exceptional traction and a comfortable feel, while the traditional taper promotes a more fluid swing. The high-quality rubber ensures lasting performance. If you want a premium grip that enhances your swing and feel, this is for you. What people say. They feel great. My old grips were a very soft squishy material. These are much harder. Installed these grips on a set of my older True Temper steel shafts for my grandson. They actually turned out very nice. They fit good, felt nice and sturdy, with good grip potential. These are solid rubber grips that feel great in my hands. This is not a difficult process and it's something that most anyone can do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.